Hello, I'm Risa from Anju Risa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this turban headband. If you love anything about turban headband, consider subscribing. I recommend you to only use stretchy fabric to make this turban headband. And if you're asking me about what's the name of this fabric, I don't really know because here in my country, every stretchy fabric will be called as stretchy fabric. And the most important thing when we are working with fabric is the direction of fabric. As you can see, this is the edge of fabric. The size should be 6 inches and the length is head circumference plus an inch. Now to determine which one is the right side of the fabric, with the edge of fabric here, I will stretch the fabric. And stretchy fabric will always go toward the right side. So this is the right side. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half and sew here. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. To sew elastic fabric, we are not supposed to use this regular stitch. Instead, I will use this knit stitch to sew this turban headband. If you don't have this pattern on your sewing machine, you can use a regular zigzag stitch. You can see my knit stitch. This is to let us stretch the fabric without fear of breaking a seam. Now turn the fabric inside out. Now I will refer this as the wrong side and this as the right side. With the wrong sides together, fold the fabric in half and sew here using regular stitch. Like this. Cut the excess fabric. Our headband is finished. Now I will show you how to draw the bow template. Prepare a piece of paper and fold it in half. And half again. And I will measure 2 inches from here. And 2.5 inches from here, and I will connect the dot here to here. Like this. Now cut the paper. And it will be like this. This is our bow template. Prepare a piece of cotton fabric and the size should be slightly larger than our bow template. So when we fold fabric in half, the size should be larger than our bow template. I will draw the bow template to the fabric here. Like this. Now I will stitch right in the line here. Lift the presser foot. Like this. Now cut around the bow. This. Now clip around the bow like this. Be careful not to cut through the thread. Now I will fold the fabric like this to determine the center. Here. Now I will cut the center here. Like this. Like this. Now turn the fabric inside out. Like this. We will cover the hole here. Take our headband and I will cover the hole here using the headband. So we fold the fabric in half and put this right in the center of our headband, like this. Now I will stitch right in the center here. Stitch right in the center here. Like this. Now I will pinch the bow. Like this. And stitch to secure. Our headband is almost finished. Now I will show you how to make the loop. Prepare a piece of fabric with the size 3 inches and 4 inches. Now I'm sure you know how to determine the right side of the fabric. So with the right sides together, fold the fabric like this and sew here using regular stitch. Like this. Now turn the loop, and this is the wrong side, this is the right side. With the right sides together, I will sew here using regular stitch. Like this. Now cut the excess fabric. Now I will turn the loop like this and slide the loop to the center here. And our turban headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this turban headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. Every stretchy fabric will be called as stretchy fabric, or in Bahasa, we will call this as kain elastis. I will show you.